So square DEFG with vertices 0, 0, 2, 4, 6, 2, and 4, negative 2, with the scale factor of 5 divided by 2. And let's start by drawing the picture, although we don't necessarily need to draw it. I like to compare. So notice I darkened in the x-axis and the y-axis a little bit since they weren't right in the middle. So here's D, and then 2, 4. Here's E, 6, 2. There's F, and then 4, negative 2. Here's G. And our scale factor is 5 over 2. And I recommend that you use Desmos. I know that I'm using a calculator. But what's going to happen, remember, is we're going to multiply all of our points, all of our coordinates in our points by 5 halves. And the nice thing is that our new D is still going to remain 0, 0. 0 times 5 halves is 0. 0 times 5 halves is 0. But then when we get to 2, 4, if you need to, what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 times 5 halves, and we get 5. And if we do 4 times 5 halves, we get 10. And it's going to be the same thing for 6 too. We're going to take 6 times 5 halves, which gives us 15. And 2 times 5 halves, which we've already done. But that gives us 5. And then 4 times 5 halves. Again, we've already done that multiplication. If I can scroll back up there, there's 4 times 5 halves, gives us 10. And negative 2 times 5 halves, well, if I insert a negative here, we get negative 5. So once we get the values of all our points, we can draw in our points. 0, 0 is going to remain the same. 5, 10 for our new E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's our new E. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5. Here's our new F. And then 10, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So scale factor of 5 halves is going to be a stretch. Hopefully your picture is better than mine. But there we can really see the stretch on that particular problem. If we look at number 6, let's start again by graphing. And I darkened in the axes since they weren't right in the middle. But negative 15. Negative 15, negative 3. Here's our S. Negative 12. Negative 3. Sorry, negative 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here's our T. Just regular T. and then 0, negative 9. Here's our U. So we've got our triangle. And then our scale factor is 1/3. Again, use Desmos, use your calculator, but we're going to multiply all the values in our points by 1/3. So 1/3 times negative 15 gives us negative 5. 1/3 times negative 1, nope, negative 3 gives us negative 1. 1/3 times negative 12 gives us negative 4. And we just did 1/3 times negative 15. If you recall, 1/3 times negative 15 is negative 5. 1/3 times 0 is 0. And 1/3 times negative 9 is negative 3. So this time we're compressing or shrinking. Sorry you couldn't see everything with that calculator there, but use Desmos to type it in. We've got the values of the points now, and negative 5, negative 1, here's our new S, negative 4, negative 5, there's our new T, and 0, negative 3. Here is our new U, and there's our picture.